Morning everyone, welcome back to Dragon Ball NZ. Now this morning I received this in the mail. So we've got Mortal Kombat 11 Premium Edition. Oh, can't wait. As well as a poster here. So yeah, I'm really excited, gonna open this. Let's have a look. Alright, so that's them here. So I'll open the poster, have a look at the poster first. So, as you can see, it's just basically the artwork of the cover of the game. You're next, their new slogan, and obviously the game here. So I had this on pre-order from, as you guessed it, Mighty Ape. So it's a little slipcase, just like Mortal Kombat X. Steel case here. I'll show you the back of the slipcase. As you can see, it actually says 6 new DLC playable characters with this premium edition. Week early access to DLC characters. 7 new character skins and gear sets for customization. Yeah, so that's what it's got with the premium. Oh, what does it say? Yeah, because there were 3 versions. There was obviously the standard one. Actually, there were the four versions. Sorry, there was a really expensive collector's edition which came with this big, I think like a mask of Scorpion. I would have loved to get it, but weighing out the cost of money and what I'll be getting, wasn't quite worth it. And then there was there's the premium edition, what I've got here. Then there's I think it might be called the special edition, which I'm not sure if it came with the steel case or not, or if it just came with the combat pack. And there's the cat. And then there's of course the standard edition. But yeah. So we've got little safety stuff. Okay. So this is all the DLC. I'm guessing one will be for, oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, the premium edition came with the combat pack, and of course we've got Shao Kahn. He's back. And taking a look at the disc, got a traditional dragon there with Mortal Kombat 11. Yeah, so that's it pretty much. Yeah, I really like the simplistic design of the case here. That's the most annoying thing, tiny little scratch. Haven't even touched it, but regardless, that's cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and play that now. But thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.